Olive oil is often called liquid gold, and for good reason. Used for thousands of years in Mediterranean cultures, olive oil is not just a cooking ingredient, it is a powerful natural medicine. Let's explore the complete health benefits of olive oil and why it deserves a place in your daily diet. 1. Rich in healthy fats. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. These healthy fats help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, increase good cholesterol, HDL, protect your heart and blood vessels. Unlike unhealthy oils, olive oil supports long-term heart health. 2. Powerful for heart health. Regular consumption of olive oil lowers the risk of heart attacks, reduces blood pressure, naturally prevents artery blockage. This is one reason why people following the Mediterranean diet have lower heart disease rates. 3. Strong anti-inflammatory properties. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that works like natural painkillers. It helps reduce joint pain, fight arthritis, lower chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many diseases, and olive oil helps fight it naturally. 4. Boosts brain health. Olive oil protects the brain by improving memory and focus, reducing risk of Alzheimer's disease, protecting brain cells from damage. Healthy fats in olive oil keep the brain sharp as you age. 5. Supports weight loss. Despite being high in calories, olive oil keeps you full longer, reduces cravings, improves fat metabolism. Using olive oil instead of refined oils helps with healthy and sustainable weight loss. 6. Improves digestive health. Olive oil supports smooth digestion, reduces constipation, protects the stomach lining. It also helps in better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. 7. Controls blood sugar. Olive oil helps improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar spikes, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. It is especially beneficial for people with diabetes when used in moderation. 8. Strengthens immunity. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, olive oil fights free radicals, protects cells from damage, boosts the immune system. A strong immune system means fewer infections and faster recovery. 9. Skin and hair benefits. Olive oil is excellent for beauty, moisturizes dry skin, reduces wrinkles and aging signs, strengthens hair and adds shine, prevents scalp dryness and dandruff. That's why olive oil is widely used in skincare and hair care products. 10. Supports bone health. Olive oil improves calcium absorption, bone density, reduces risk of osteoporosis. It is especially beneficial for older adults. How to use olive oil correctly. For maximum benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil. Use it raw in salads or drizzling. Use low to medium heat for cooking. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough. Olive oil is more than just oil. It is a natural health booster. From heart and brain health to glowing skin and strong immunity, olive oil supports your body from head to toe. Adding olive oil to your daily routine is one of the simplest and healthiest lifestyle changes you can make.